Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to talk about how to get information to your accountant. If you think about it, you actually pay your accountant to do tasks on your behalf. Now the only way they're going to be able to do those tasks is be able to see the information they need to see. So how do you go about getting information to your accountant? Well, here at Boffix we've devised some really simple ways to get that information over to you. I'm going to do a quick video to show you how to get that information over to us. You can use this for any type of accountant out there, but this one is aimed at mostly our Boffix clients. Stay tuned. Hello, my name is Aaron Patrick. I'm a chartered accountant, a certified UK trainer from Intuit, that QuickBooks chap on the internet, and importantly for you, the head of accounts here at Boffix. So Boffix, we are an accounting firm, and what we rely on is our clients sending us information. So how do we make it really simple for them? Well, first way of doing that is we give them their own unique email address. So their email address is normally 3 or 4 letters, 4 numbers, and then the phrase bills@boffix.com. It's that unique email address that means that when they send this info to us, we can then make sure it goes to the right area, right place, and it's involved with that particular client. So what sort of stuff can you send there? Well, if you have just lying around, invoices, letters from HMRC, bank statements, them sort of things, then feel free to send it to that email address. The problem is that sometimes that can be a little bit time consuming. You've got to literally get a phone out, maybe take a photo, send it over. So what do people use that email address more than anything? Well, we found that if you use it as a forwarding rule, that's when you get the most benefits out of it. Think about your BT or your Virgin or someone like that, where you're going to get an email from them each and every month telling you that the invoice has arrived. Now, instead of maybe having to extract that email, put it to bills at Boffix and send it over to us, why not just set a forwarding rule that as soon as that comes in, it goes to your individual bills at Boffix email. That way we won't be nagging you for it and you know it's already got to us. Well, what about if you're out and about? If you're out and about, you can certainly use your phone because that's going to be your best tool, and you can take a photo of any of these items we've got and just send it over to us. And it's literally a case of just taking a photo, go to your email, go to bills at Boffix and sending it through there. And that way it can work really, really well. But every now and again, maybe an email's going to fail, and every now and again you might find that you've not remembered what items you've sent. Is there a better way? Well, of course there is, and we're going to show you that right now. Let's have a look. Okay, so in front of me now is my mobile phone, this one just here. Now what we want to do is we want to get some various bits of information. So we've got this little receipt we want to get over to Boffix, we've got a letter from HMRC we want to get over to Boffix, we've got a bank statement, and also we've got a bill to get over to them as well. Now the thing is here, I don't really want to be going through this data thinking what needs to go to the right department or place or anything like that. I just want to get that information over to Boffix, let them deal with it. And that's where using your QuickBooks app could make your life so much easier. So watch this. All I do is I drop it down, go to QuickBooks. As soon as I'm in the QuickBooks app, I then have an option just there called Snap Receipt. So I press Snap Receipt and instantaneously it's opening up my photo app. I literally line it up, take the photo, and then I can either use the little cropping tool to crop it over and press crop and send. And literally all that's happening now is it's uploading it, pressing send, and it's gone. I can even review which items I've already sent in the last 7 days and which items has already gone through and we've dealt with. So it's a real easy way for me to get information in. If I need another one, I've got a photo button down the bottom. I get this HMRC letter, send that. It doesn't have to be just receipts, send anything over this way. All it does is uploads it and put it in there. Finally, I've got a bank statement to bring through, send that one through as well. Send that in. And actually I've just found I've got one more bill to put through as well. Sending that bill over. And it's as quick as that. I now have 4 items I've sent over to Boffix in a matter of seconds instead of having to rely on having to set up that email. How much quicker is it just by using that QuickBooks app? Look how simple it was. It's literally a case of opening up the app and clicking on Snap Receipt. Really straightforward and simple. And that's what it's all about. It's about getting information over to Boffix. The more information we have, the more we can deal with, and the more we can make sure it works for you. Hopefully this video has been useful to you, and hopefully that's going to make it easier for you to get your information over to Boffix. But if you are using another accountant, then why not ask them if they would be happy for you to be sending information via the app also. Personally, I'm finding it so much easier, even on my point of view of getting information over. So much quicker than having to send an email, find out who I'm sending it to, put it in, attach it, send it over. I literally open the app, 4 transactions done. I don't have to worry about it. And I even have that added bonus of being able to go back to the app and have a look and see which ones have been dealt with and which ones have still left to be sorted. Hopefully that'll be helpful to you. If you've got ways in which you can get information to Boffix anytime quicker. Hopefully you have. Hopefully you've found a way to make it there. But if you have, share it below. Let us all know. We all want to make sure we're making things as simple as possible. You know our motto here at Boffix. We want small businesses not just to survive, but to thrive. And this is one of the ways where I'm sure you'll agree this is going to help small businesses quite massively. My name's been Aaron Patrick. As always, it's been a pleasure to do this video for you. Hopefully you found this useful, and I'll see you in the next video.